very important key points that we are discussing. We will complete that key points. The first key point is a square plus b square into x square plus y square is always greater than or equivalent to ax plus by whole square. This is the first inequality that we are using it, and the next inequality we are using is quartile mean is always greater than or equivalent to arithmetic mean. Quartile mean is also nothing but root mean square, which is greater than or equivalent to arithmetic mean. If a1, a2 and so on up to an are positive real numbers, arithmetic mean is sum of the quantities by number of the quantities. Root mean square, first do the square, a1 square, a2 square and so on up to an square. Apply the mean value, then apply the under root value. Root mean square greater than or equivalent to arithmetic mean, and Cauchy-Schwarz inequality a square plus b square into x square plus y square is always greater than or equivalent to ax plus by whole square. We will complete few more problems. These two key points we have already started solving few problems. We will complete this and we will take up another important topic. A square plus b square into x square plus y square is greater than or equivalent to ax plus by whole square. Quartile mean is always greater than or equivalent to arithmetic mean. These two concepts we will discuss with examples. First one, please read the questions are two methods which we will discuss. If a, b, c, d are positive real numbers such that a plus b plus c plus d is 1. Sum is given. Sum of the squares is given. Sum is given. Sum of the squares is given. So we can apply method 1, which is quartile mean is greater than or equivalent to arithmetic mean. Quartile mean, if I take for a, b, c, a square plus b square plus c square by 3 greater than or equivalent to a plus b plus c by 3. So this is nothing but squaring on both sides. A square plus b square plus c square by 3 greater than or equivalent to a plus b plus c whole square divided by 9. So 1 a plus b plus c, if it comes down, a square plus b square plus c square divided by a plus b plus c, which is nothing but a plus b plus c by 3. That means this entire value is greater than or equivalent to a plus b plus c by 3. Now see here, this will give you a plus b plus c by 3 greater than or equivalent to, this will give you a plus b plus d by 3. This will give you a plus c plus d by 3. Last one will give you b plus c plus d by 3. If I add it, a came how many times? Once, twice, thrice. So always it will be 3 into a plus b plus c plus d divided by 3. A, B, C, D minimum value is 1. Answer for this question is 1. Answer for this question is 1. Method 1. How you came to know that quartile mean is greater than or equivalent to arithmetic mean? I got the sum of the quantities, I got the squares. So squares will come in right quartile mean or a root mean square. Root of a square plus b square plus c square by 3 greater than or equivalent to a plus b plus c by 3. Squaring it, a square plus b square plus c square by 3, a plus b plus c whole square by 9. If it comes down, it is a plus b plus c by 3. Right? A is there with another 3 values. A with b, a with c, a with d. B with a, b with c, b with d. C with a, c with b, c with d. D with a, d with b, d with c. So it will be 3 into a plus b plus c plus d by 3. Cancels out, answer is 1. Please don't do this method. This is a very time consuming method. This is a very time consuming method. Directly method number 2. Method number 2, which is a symmetric function. This is a symmetric function. This is a symmetric function. In symmetric function, we already discussed symmetric function. A is replaced by B, B is replaced with C, C is replaced with A, D is replaced with A. Answer does not change. In that case, make the variables equal. A equivalent to B equivalent to C equivalent to D. So this will become A square plus A square plus A square divided by A plus A plus A, and this is nothing but 4 times we got. So this is nothing but 3A square divided by 3A. 3A square divided by 3A. Now see here, into 4 times. So this is nothing but 4A. This is nothing but 4A. Make variables equal. 4A is nothing but 1. So answer for this question is 1. Answer for this question is 1. I hope the idea is clear. Just by looking at the equation, if you find out that this is nothing but a symmetric function, make all the variables equal. A equivalent to B equivalent to C equivalent to D. 4A equivalent to 1. So I got 4A. Answer is 1. Wherever symmetric function is there, make it equal. Make it equal. Here, see here. A plus B plus C plus D equivalent to 16. Make 4A equivalent to 16. 4A equivalent to 16. So this will become A square plus A square plus A square divided by A plus A, and it is added 4 times. So this is nothing but 3A square divided by 3A into 4. So this is nothing but 4A. 4A is 16. 4A is 16. I hope the idea is clear. Idea is clear, right? So A plus B plus C plus D is 16. 4A is 16. So I got 4A, which is 16. It is a symmetric function. Because it's a symmetric function, make A equivalent to B equivalent to C equivalent to D. Make A equivalent to B equivalent to C equivalent to D. A equivalent to B equivalent to C equivalent to D. Symmetric function, method 1. Symmetric function. Already I think we solved this question. Symmetric function. So A equivalent to B equivalent to C. Answer is nothing but 3A square divided by 3A whole square. So 3A square divided by 9A square. Answer is 1 by 3. Already we solved this. Already we solved this. X equivalent to Y equivalent to Z. 3x into 3 by x. Answer is 9. Symmetric function. Symmetric function. A equivalent to B. So 2A equivalent to 1. If I substitute A square by A plus 1 plus into 2. So it is nothing but 2A square by A plus 1. Substitute it, you will get the answer. 2A is 1. So A is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So 2 into 1 by 2 square by 1 by 2 plus 1. I hope the idea is clear. Make A equivalent to B, because this equation does not change. This equation does not change if I keep A with B or B with A. Direct symmetric functions we will substitute. Symmetric functions directly we will substitute. See here, suppose that A and B and C and D are positive. It is a symmetric function. A equivalent to B equivalent to C equivalent to D. Root of 4A divided by root A into 4. Root A plus root A plus root A. This is nothing but 2 root A divided by 2 root A, which is nothing but 1. Symmetric function make the variables equal. Symmetric function make the variable equal. Symmetric function make the variable equal. Now this is nothing but, let us do symmetric functions. Where is a symmetric function? Again, x is, again it is a symmetric function. In a symmetric function, make the variables equal. If I make the variables equal, x equivalent to y equivalent to z, 1 plus x by 2x into 1 plus x by 2x, it is whole cube. X cancel, 1 plus 1 by 2 power 3, which is nothing but 3 by 2 power 3, which is 27 by 8. 27 by 8. I hope it is clear. Make x equivalent to y equivalent to z. Symmetric function. See here, x square, another beautiful question, sir. X square plus 3xy plus y square is 60. This is nothing but x minus whole square greater than or equivalent to 0. Square function is always greater than or equivalent to 0. X square plus y square minus 2xy is greater than or equivalent to 0. X square plus y square is greater than or equivalent to 2xy. If I add 3xy on both sides, plus 3xy is greater than or equivalent to 5xy, 60 greater than or equivalent to 5xy, 5xy less than or equivalent to 60, so xy less than or equivalent to 12. So the maximum possible value of xy is 12. Maximum possible value of xy is 12. Different models. X minus y whole square, any square function is greater than or equivalent to 0. So x square plus y square minus 2xy is greater than or equivalent to 0. So greater than or equivalent to 2xy. Adding 3xy on both sides. 2xy plus 3xy is 5xy. X square plus y square plus 3xy is 60. 5xy less than or equivalent to 60. Xy less than or equivalent to 12. Xy maximum is 12. I hope this idea is clear. Next one. See here. There are two equations that are given. A plus B plus C plus D. Let me call it as 8 minus E. A square plus B square plus C square plus D square plus E plus D square. It is nothing but 16 minus A square. E square. Now we know that inequality A plus B plus C plus D, coefficient of A is 1. 1 square plus A square, B square, C square. It into 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square greater than or equivalent to A plus B plus C plus D whole square. I hope it is clear. A square plus B square plus C square plus D square, which is 16 minus E square into 4 greater than or equivalent to 8 minus E whole square, which is 64 minus 4E square greater than or equivalent to 64 minus 16E square, 16E plus E square. 64 cancel. So E square minus 16E. So how much we got? 16 minus E square into 4. 64 minus 4E square greater than or equivalent to 64 minus 16E plus E square. So please transpose the equation. What will be there? 4A square. If it comes this side, 5E square minus 16E. 5E square minus 16E less than or equivalent to 0. So E into 5E minus 16 less than or equivalent to 0. Less than means it lies between the values. 0 less than or equivalent to E less than or equivalent to 16 by 5. Kindly ask me in case if you got any doubts. A plus B plus C plus D is 8 minus E. A square plus B square plus C square plus D square is 16 minus E square. Now I used that inequality. A square plus B square plus C square plus D square. Coefficient is 1. 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square is greater than or equivalent to A plus B plus C plus D whole square. 16 minus E square into 4 is greater than or equivalent to 8 minus E whole square. 64 minus 4e square is greater than or equivalent to 64 minus 16e plus e square. I hope this idea is also clear. Next one. This also can be solved by using that inequality. What is that inequality? A square plus b square into x square plus y square is greater than or equivalent to ax plus by whole square. So this is root a whole square plus root b whole square plus root c whole square plus root d whole square into 1 by root a whole square, 1 by root b whole square, 2 by root c whole square, 4 by root d whole square is greater than or equivalent to root a into 1 by root a, which is nothing but 1. Root b into 1 by root b, it is nothing but 1. Root c, it is nothing but 4. Root d into 16 by 2, it is nothing but 2. I hope it is clear. So this is nothing but a plus b plus c plus d, 1 by a, 1 by b, 4 by c plus 16 by d. Greater than or equivalent to 22. So minimum value is 22. Minimum value for this question is 22. I hope this idea, the inequality which we used is this inequality we used. A square plus b square into x square plus y square is greater than or equivalent to ax plus by whole square. Ax plus by is, I multiplied this into this, this into this, this into this, this into this. I hope the idea is clear. Next question. This we solved. Now read this question. Yash has just drawn 6 rectangles. This is length, this is breadth. In a rectangle, one side should be greater than other side. Each rectangle has a different length and breadth. Sum of the squares of the length, different rectangles, L1 square plus L2 square and so on up to Ln square, which is 40. Sum of the squares of the width, b1 square, b2 square and so on up to bn square, which is nothing but 20. What is the largest sum possible value of the sum of the area of the rectangles? Area of the rectangle is L into B. Direct application of concept. L1 square plus L2 square and so on up to Ln square. B1 square plus B2 square and so on up to Bn square is greater than L1 B1 plus L2 B2 and so on up to Ln Bn whole square. So this is nothing but 40. 40 into 20 is greater than or equivalent to a1 plus a2 and so on up to an square. So sum will be, maximum value will be root of 800. I hope it is clear. So answer is 40 root 5. So what is the largest possible value? It is nothing but square. If it comes left hand side, it will become root of 800. Root of 800 is 40 root 5. I hope the idea is clear. Variety of questions. This already we solved it. X square plus y square into 5 square plus 12 square is greater than or equivalent to 5x plus 12y whole square. Already we discussed this. Direct theorem it is. Now, these also we solved it. X square plus y square into 3 square plus 4 square is greater than or equivalent to 3x plus 4y whole square. These also we solved it. Now A, B, C, D are real numbers. These also we solved it. A square plus B square plus C square into 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square is greater than or equivalent to 3A plus 4B plus 5C whole square. Direct inequalities, if you know it. These also we solved it. A square plus B square into 3 square plus 4 square is greater than or equivalent to 3A plus 4B whole square. Direct application of the concept. Now see here, sir. This problem is an original staff selection question. Right? This is an original staff selection question. Please see this. Now see here, sir. Now this question, it is clear. Now 6 rectangles. One minute. It has 6 rectangles. So what will happen if I take n equivalent to 6 here? There is no difference, right? N could be any number of values. So 40 into 20. N is 6 here, right? Next one. Rahul says root of A plus B plus C plus D. Calculations, please take care, sir. Let me see what is that he is saying. Right now, what is that we are discussing? Rahul, I hope you have understood the concept. This method 1, just by looking at a question itself, I can say that A square plus B square plus C square is 25. If I put B0, C0, but he said that it is a non-zero real number. So we cannot put B0, C0. So what we'll do is solution. A square plus B square plus C square into, let me see whether it is satisfying. A square plus B square plus Z square is equivalent to AX plus BY plus CZ square. It is actually greater than or equivalent to, it is 25 into 36, greater than or equivalent to 30 square. Yes, it is satisfying. 900 equivalent to 900. So can I say 1 by 2 equivalent to 2 by 4 equivalent to 3 by 6. Similarly, A by X equivalent to B by Y equivalent to C by Z. It is also equivalent to, square it. It is also equivalent to A square plus B square plus C square divided by X square plus Y square plus Z square. Am I right? So this is nothing but, it is nothing but root of 25 by 36, which is 5 by 6, which is again nothing but A plus B plus C divided by X plus Y plus Z. Right? I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Idea is clear, right? 25 into 36. So what it is showing, that A equivalent to X, B equivalent to Y, Z equivalent to. So A by X equivalent to B by Y equivalent to C by Z, which is A plus B plus C by X plus Y plus Z. I did under root of A square by X square, under root of B square by Y square, under root of C square by Z square. Root of 25 by 36, 5 by 6. Fractions is equivalent to sum of the numerators by sum of the denominators. I hope the idea is clear. All these questions are very, very easy questions. This is nothing but quartile mean is greater than or equivalent to arithmetic mean. Quartile mean, arithmetic mean is nothing but root A plus 2 root B plus 3 root C plus 4 root D by 4. It is greater than or equivalent to square root of root a whole square, 2 root b whole square, 3 root c whole square, 4 root d whole square divided by 4. Divided by 4. These are nothing but a plus b, a plus 4c plus 9c plus 16d. We got the answer, right? So these are nothing but square root. Quartile mean is square root. So root of it will become a plus 4c plus 9c plus 16d by 4 greater than or equivalent to this value root a plus 2 root b plus 3 root c plus 4 root d divided by 4. Substitute it, you got the answer. I hope it is clear. So 12 answer is 4 root 3. Answer is 4 root 3. Answer is 4 root 3. I hope it is clear. Or make each one of them equivalent to 3. A equivalent to 3. 4b, sir, it is. 4b is 3. 9c is 3. 16d is 3. Apply root, you will get 4 root 3. You will get 4 root 3. Snehal, you can WhatsApp the number which is there on the class. Right? I hope these inequalities, they are very, very clear to each one of you. If there is any calculation mistake, kindly take care. Another question. A and B are positive real numbers such that a plus b equivalent to 4. Minimum value of a square plus b square. These are nothing but root of a square plus b square by 2 greater than or equivalent to a plus b by 2. Which theorem it is? Quartile mean is greater than or equivalent to arithmetic mean. So these are nothing but root of a square plus b square by 2 greater than or equivalent to 4 by 2, 2. So root a square plus b square by 4 is greater than or equivalent to. So if I remove that one, it is nothing but 4. So a square plus b square is greater than or equivalent to 8. These first one, minimum value of a square plus b square. Method 2, you can substitute. It's a symmetric function. It's a symmetric function. If it is a symmetric function, substitute a equivalent to b. 2a equivalent to 4. A is 2, b is 2. 2 square plus 2 square. 4 plus 4. Answer is nothing but 8. These for the question a square plus b square minimum value. A square plus b square minimum value. I hope it is clear. Quartile mean greater than or equivalent to arithmetic mean. We have done so many problems by this time. You should have got a great understanding of these maxima and minima. One more question is there. Root a plus root b maximum value. Root a plus root b maximum value. First one answer is 8. Question, second question, question number 2. Root a plus root b maximum value. Root a plus root b maximum value. Again we will do quartile mean greater than or equivalent to arithmetic mean. Quartile mean greater than or equivalent to arithmetic mean. Root of root a whole square plus root b whole square divided by 2 is greater than or equivalent to root a plus root b by 2. Let two quantities be root a and root b. Let two quantities be root a and root b. So root a square a plus b, which is 4. 4 by 2 is 2. Root 2 greater than or equivalent to root a plus root b by 2. So these is nothing but root a plus root b is less than or equivalent to 2 root 2. What is the maximum value? 2 root 2. I hope the idea is clear. Praveen, answer is 2 root 2. Answer is 2 root 2. Quartile mean greater than or equivalent to arithmetic mean. Quartile mean greater than or equivalent to arithmetic mean. This is method 1. Method 2, it is a symmetric function. Method 2, it is a symmetric function. A equivalent to B equivalent to 2. So answer is root 2 plus root 2. Answer is 2 root 2. Answer is 2 root 2. I hope you got a very clear idea. Let me see if there are any questions that are pending. This is clear. This is clear. This is also, we did it. Done. This also we did. This also we did. Done. 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 Right? Now here, root A, I think this is what Rahul is saying. If there is any calculation mistake, we will check it out. So this is nothing but A plus B plus C plus D, which is nothing but root of 4A, which is nothing but 2 root A, divided by root A plus root A plus root A plus root A, which is 4 root A, which is 4 root A. I think here I made 2 root A. 2 root, I think I just did a calculation mistake. It is 1 by 2. Rahul beta, you are right. I wrote it. Calculation mistakes, please take care. Calculation mistakes, please take care. Take care. I hope it is clear. Thank you, Rahul, for correcting the calculation mistake. These also we did it. 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 I hope it is clear. Maxima and minima, all the models are crystal clear, close to 50 plus problems. Enrolled students, immediately, once the class is uploaded, revise it. I will revise one last time all the important key points which we discussed. Variable and its reciprocal, minimum value is 2 if x is greater than or equivalent to 1. A by x equivalent to B by y equivalent to C by Z. A plus B plus C divided by x plus y plus z. Second point, sum is constant. Sum is constant. Product is maximum when the variables are equal. When the variables are equal. Fourth key point, product is constant. Product is constant. Sum will be minimum when the variables are equal. Sum will be minimum when the variables are equal. Fourth key point. All the key points, a lot of examples I did it so that you will not fear looking at a question. A power P, B power Q, C power R. This is maximum when A plus B plus C is constant and A by P equivalent to B by Q equivalent to C by R. Fifth concept. Sixth concept. AM greater than or equivalent to GM greater than or equivalent to HM. Seventh concept. Quartile mean greater than or equivalent to arithmetic mean. Eighth concept. A square plus B square into x square plus y square greater than or equivalent to ax plus by whole square. There are 8 concepts with respect to maxima and minima in progressions. Please take a screenshot of this. 8 things. 8 things close to 6 hours I discussed. There is no chance that you will miss out on any question with respect to progression based from maxima and minima. Please take a screenshot of this. Kindly take a screenshot of this. Then we will discuss another model with respect to maxima and minima.